Blind spots. The blind spot is an area which you are unable to see while looking through the windscreen, rear view mirror, and side mirrors. The objective of this video is to teach you about the blind spot of the cars and how to check the blind spot. This video will show the location of the blind spots and the correct method of checking the blind spot. A vehicle has two blind spots, the left blind spot and the right blind spot as indicated by the area highlighted. Thus, blind spots may result in danger for all, as a driver will be unable to see other motorists and pedestrians. To check the left blind spot, turn your head and look over your left shoulder quickly to check for other motorists and pedestrians. To check the right blind spot, turn your head and look over your right shoulder. This is especially before a driver overtakes, executes a turn, or changes lanes. In addition, a driver has to be aware of the blind spots of other vehicles to avoid driving in areas which cannot be seen by other drivers for a safer journey. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. What is the correct method of checking the blind spot? A. Turn your body to look at the rear windscreen. B. Turn your head 90 degrees to the right to look at the front window. C. Turn your head to look over your shoulder. C. Turn your head to look over your shoulder. 2. Which of the below statements about blind spots is correct? A. Blind spots exists only in some type of vehicles. B. A driver should complete the checking of the blind spot quickly. C. There is no need to check the blind spot when overtaking or changing lanes. B. A driver should complete the checking of the blind spot quickly. 3. What is the correct definition of blind spot? A. A road that is used by blind pedestrians. B. The upcoming part of the road that cannot be seen as there is a sharp bend. C. Areas to the left or right side of the vehicle that cannot be seen even from the rear and side mirrors. C. Areas to the left or right side of the vehicle that cannot be seen even from the rear and side mirrors. 4. Why is it important to know the blind spot of your vehicle? A. This will enable you to see the traffic condition in front of you. B. This will help to avoid dangerous situations due to road users in areas which the driver cannot see. C. It is required by law to know the blind spot of your vehicle. B. This will help to avoid dangerous situations due to road users in areas which the driver cannot see. 5. Why should a driver be aware of the blind spot of other vehicles? A. This will enable a driver to avoid driving in areas which the other driver cannot see. B. This will enable a driver to drive courteously. C. It is required by law to know the blind spot of other vehicles. A. This will enable a driver to avoid driving in areas which the other driver cannot see.